You probably didn't know these tricks with a dish sponge. They'll save you a lot of time and frustration. Take a sponge in your favorite color. Using a soldering iron, make a long but narrow hole along the sponge. Do this carefully and precisely. Cut a piece of bar soap. Pick any soap as long as it fits in the hole you made. Place the soap inside the sponge and soak it well under water. With this simple trick, you'll get endless foam without needing to keep reaching for dish soap. Cut the sponge with the soldering iron. Do this vertically and horizontally. Make cuts so that a dense grid forms on the surface. This method makes the sponge extremely effective for cleaning grill grates. But that's not all. It's also great for scrubbing oven trays with grates. A genius way for effective cleaning. Cut the bottom of the sponge. The cuts should be deep but not all the way through. Attach the sponge to kitchen tongs. With this trick, you can easily clean hard-to-reach spots in narrow containers. This solution is also perfect for cleaning balcony railings or blinds. A simple way for thorough cleaning without effort.